Wyatt's helping me bring the laundry into the kitchen. Wyatt, come back this way. You gotta turn it around. You gotta turn it around. Here, let me help you. Here you go. There you go. You gonna bring the laundry in? To the laundry? Come this way. Come here. Come this way. Come this way. Do you see how his father dressed him today? I got up early for work and he was still sleeping, and Wyatt had to get dressed by his dad. Does not match. Does not match. So funny, guys. Wyatt, come back this way. We gotta bring the laundry this way. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. You gonna say bye-bye? Bye-bye. You're like, no, Mom. Whatever. Say whatever, Mom. You gonna bring it this way? The laundry has to come this way, Wyatt. Bring it this way. Watch your toes. Okay, bye-bye.